it's important in yoga and in life to stretch what we call the life nerve. And that's the life nerve is the sciatic nerve. Why is it the life nerve? Why is it called that? Because it's the largest nerve in your whole body. And it tends to shrink as you get older. Did you know that? Have you ever noticed someone who's getting older and they seem to get slowly smaller, kind of, not just lines and shriveled, but their body. Look, our age is not dependent upon how old we live. It's the condition of our bodies. And that includes our energy system, and right now I'm talking about our nervous system. Sciatic nerve, largest nerve in the body. Let's make a commitment to stretch it out at least once a day. In the morning, very stiff and kind of difficult. That's why it's good to do Qigong breathing exercises. And when you do the breathing exercises and you oxygenate your body, it becomes easier to stretch. Did you know that?